The automotive industry is currently witnessing a fascinating shift, with some models experiencing steep declines while others rebound strongly. And this is the part most people might overlook: how the performance of specific vehicle categories can tell us much about market trends and consumer preferences. But here's where it gets controversial. The data reveals that all extended-range electric vehicles, EREVs, from Li Auto's L series have suffered significant drops in July compared to last year, with decreases ranging from 40% to as much as 53%. Meanwhile, the Li Mega MPV not only defies this downward trend, but continues to surge, achieving a staggering 330% year-over-year growth. That raises a compelling question. What exactly is driving the almost explosive popularity of the Li Mega in such a competitive landscape? Looking at the details, the Li L6 remains the top seller among Li Auto's lineup, delivering 14,830 units in July, though this number marks a 40.34% decrease compared to the same month last year and a near 10% dip from June. Its affordability, with a starting price of approximately RMB 249,800, $34,790, seems to be a key factor in its sustained sales, accounting for roughly 48.26% of all Li Auto deliveries in July. Over the first 7 months, the L6 has accumulated more than 111,000 units sold, representing nearly 47.38% of the company's total deliveries during that period. Further into specifics, Li Auto's reported delivery of 30,731 cars in July, a 39.74% year-on-year decline, and a 15.29% drop from June, reflects ongoing challenges faced across many of their models. The L7, another popular SUV, showed similar struggles, with sales dropping by 45.30% compared to last year, though it still contributed roughly 20% to the monthly tally. The L8 and L9 models also faced significant year-on-year declines, falling over 50% in some cases, and their contribution to total deliveries has been proportionally smaller. But then, there's the stunning rise of the Li Mega MPV, which in July reached 2,816 units, its second-best monthly sales figure to date. This figure is remarkable, not only because it signifies a month-on-month increase of over 22%, but also because it marks a leap of over 330% compared to July last year. Over 7 months, the total has reached 8,621 units, making it a notable, rapidly growing segment for Li Auto. The refreshed version launched in April and subsequent updates in May seem to have played a role in its recent success. Alongside the vehicle's positioning as the company's most expensive model at a starting price of RMB 529,800. Adding to the excitement, Li Auto introduced its first fully electric SUV, the Li i8, on July 29th. This move marks a strategic expansion into pure electric offerings, with deliveries expected to start in August. The trims for this model have been simplified and priced to be more attractive compared to previous configurations. Overall, while traditional extended-range vehicles from Li Auto are experiencing a period of decline, the company's newer models, especially the Li Mega, are demonstrating extraordinary growth potential. This pattern prompts us to ask, are we on the cusp of a shift in consumer preferences, favoring more fully electric or versatile multi-purpose vehicles over traditional EREVs? What does this mean for the broader EV market? Are we heading toward a future where hybrid-like vehicles become obsolete? Share your thoughts. Does this data confirm a larger industry transformation, or is it a temporary anomaly?